Morning, everybody. Today is the day we leave here. Yay! I'm ready to go. Very nice spot we had here. Somebody will be glad to get our spot. This is a nice, large campsite. Plenty of yard space. And we are taking off and going to our friend Chuck's house. Out in the country. Making our way to Skoolie UP event. It's so hot, it's 84 degrees and it's not even noon. Gotta put our side shade down. I picked up some valve extenders for the RV. Hang on, bug. Because we can't air up our front tires because we can't get to them. So these are AutoZone. And then I also needed some windshield wipers for my Dodge, for my car. So I went and picked up those, and he said he would go ahead and just put them on for me real quick, the guy here. So he's gonna do that. We're gonna go meet Steve, and then he's parked somewhere else. We're trying to baby our brakes before we take our RV in after the event. We couldn't get an appointment until after the event, so we have to wait, and we have to baby the RV because we still have several hundred miles to drive. And a quick car wash to see if the windshield wipers work. They look fine. I'm glad I got those.
See you.
Good to see you.
Yeah, I just told you guys just set up wherever you want, however you guys want, and then we'll just visit.
I see Holly. Hi, Holly.
Yeah.
Thank you for letting us come visit. Hi. The day you got her.
I know. It's just like I was so afraid to bring her out because Border Collie. Go get it.
You don't? Do you care if I film?
No, you're fine.
Okay.
Do whatever.
Good job.
Sit.
You don't want to get
Let go. Let
Let
go.
go.
We need to play the
No,
video
you were in throw. Toss it down.
after Christmas.
Good throw. Oh,
What a great place for her to run around.
yeah.
Sit. Wave. Twirl.
She's like Banjo's
Twirl.
distracted.
Twirl.
Wow, good job, Holly.
What a beauty.
Yay.
Right. Gull Island, Chuck said. He dug this pond himself. It's gonna be neat.
And it's going to be about 5 times as big.
Is it gonna come out to where we are now?
Yes. Right where this little dam is.
Yeah.
So right about here. And then the rest of this is called my lazy river. Because when we have really big rains, this all fills up, but then the water leaves the property. The clump of clay wasn't there, it would drain all of my pond.
Wow, that's going to be really nice.
And part of that lazy river that we were driving in, what I plan to do This will all be dug out where we're driving.
Yeah.
This way, as part of the lazy river.
Oh.
And it goes back over this way. This is the lowest portion of my property. And then all the water.
This is where the water pools down here?
Yep. And then it goes that way. And I'll show you. We'll go around it because I don't want to drive to that. This is the waterway. See how it runs it perpendicular to us?
Uh-huh.
It goes left and right.
Yeah.
And this fills up with water. It's an intermittent agricultural ditch. All the water from my property drains this way and goes downstream.
So you really haven't had much rain then?
No.
This meadow over here, is this yours too?
Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful. Now it's their turn. We're just sitting here enjoying Chuck's property. It's very beautiful here. He's got a beautiful place. Garden over there.
He has some asparagus, mulberries, what else? Raspberries. He's got asparagus.
Green pepper.
Peppers. Red peppers and green peppers, I think.
We have a new friend named Christy. She has this awesome Lazy Days. She said we could take a look at it, but I haven't been in yet. Banjo helped himself to go in it. Little Mr. Social. He and Holly are having a blast playing. Christy's getting a great shot over there with the beautiful horses. What did he say those were called? The Black Beauty kind?
Friesian.
Yeah, that one. That's the kind of horses they have over there. They're pretty spectacular. They're huge.
Ready to drill?
Those equate, whatever.
Yeah.
Never mind.
This sweet little girl is going to come out and get some fresh air. Yeah. She just got finished eating her supper. Campfire festivities about to start.
She brought the light to the party.
Yep. Here's the life of the party right here. Cinnamon Susie. Party animal. Yeah, Holly's, that's an old lady. Yeah. She's trying to figure out Cinny. Oh! Cinnamon just walked under. Did you?
And so you know, when it smells
You want to go in the water, Banjo? Yeah, you can let him in it if he wants. Look at her swimming. She's going to Skull Island. Get the froggy. Get it. Hi, Holly. Hi, Holly. The froggy. Hi. There it is. Aww.
Oh, there's some other ones over here.
He was just floating with his little legs. That's funny.
Come over here. Come over here.
He's just basking in the moonlight.
Oh, did you see the frog, Banjo? Look, it just jumped in. And now I have a footprint.
There he is.
Good job, Banjo.
Holly, right there, right there. Right there, Holly. Holly, look.
Cute. He doesn't want to get in all the way.
Did you get it?
Yeah,
No?
yeah.
Look at how high she's jumping. She loves this. What are you doing, you little stinker?
Did you get a stick?
He saw a frog on it.
He thought he got the frog, but he got a... Are you going to help Chuck dig? You going to help him dig his pond?
Up, up.
You helping?
Up, up. Up, up. Go up.
Here.
Go up.
Here's one that's smaller.
Yes.
Here. Go get it.
Good girl.
Like if you were standing on top of it, maybe I would.
Can you pick that up?
Yeah, I'm not jumping over there.
Can you pick it up? Yeah?
Then you
Good
guys-
boy. Cute. Look at Banjo right there. He's catching frogs with his buddy. You got it. You sure did. Little stinker.
He's helping you.
Yeah, he's trying. He's digging
Yeah,
and pulling.
Can you get
and
the rest of that stump for me?
that big one to your left. Holly's like, yeah, sure.
And Holly, you bring in Skull Island.
Yeah. Well, she's trying to get up. She's been trying to get up on Skull Island all evening.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Go, Banjo, go! Go, Banjo, go! Oh my goodness! Go! Go, Banjo, go!
And she brings
Go, Banjo, go!
the ball. The other day.
Go, Banjo, go! Yay! Look how dirty you are. So cute.
Comes over.
You are so cute, Dirty. Yes, you are. Go catch your froggies. Go get your froggies. You got 2 frogs? Did you find 2 frogs?
You gotta have the right type of